Yo, 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 what's up, guys, and welcome to the stream. So, if you haven't noticed yet, I've actually been rebuilding the game, specifically the character and weapon system. So, what I'll do is I'll jump in game and I'll pretty much show you if you haven't seen yet. So, what are we doing? What we're doing today is we're starting to rebuild some things into the new character system. So, I need to rebuild, most of the game, again around the new character system. So we'll be doing that today, but what I'll do is I'll jump in and I'll show you how the new character works and all that sort of stuff. And then we'll be working on implementing the inventory system, not necessarily from scratch because I've already built the inventory system. It's actually a series of tutorials, but I've actually got a nice modified version, one with weight, value as well, and also like using ability and all that sort of stuff. But So this is where we are. So now we've got ATPS, which is a nice character. We've actually got vaulting. We've got mantling. We've also got rolling from when you jump from heights and stuff. And obviously we've got crouch and stuff like that. But let me just show you. Actually, there's a new pickup scanner now because this is a totally new. I pretty much made my own pickup scanner. So now we've got that. Yeah, so these are the only two guns I got. There's actually like 7 or 8 guns, I believe. But this is pretty much ATPS. And what we'll be focusing on today is implementing the inventory system, which will consist of a pickup system of both weapons and items. So let me jump out of that. So that's pretty much where we are. What I can do actually is I can just import it straight over. So this is the inventory that I've got saved. This is like the modified version, the complete version. There's just there is a pickup scanner that I built into this, but we've got to transfer everything over and pretty much rebuild everything. We've got to make new icons for the new weapons because they go into the data tables. Why isn't this open anymore? Okay. Uh, what? Okay. Window, content browser one. There it is. Okay. There we go. All right. So what I want to do essentially is what's all this starter content? Okay. Characters. Oh, that's just mannequins. This is where it would be. And this is just input. That's nothing. All right. Okay, so we've got like alert. Okay, we'll probably transfer all that over. We'll just migrate that whole thing over. No, not that. Okay, we can do that. Let's make sure. No, we don't want core. We just want game. Yep. And then we can go into here, JCRP contents, and that should 24 files. Migrated nicely. I actually don't. I hope I didn't actually close the engine too quick, but this should give us everything we need. So I might have to go to the old build and transfer some actual pickups over. But these will be pretty much getting this inventory system implemented into the character. And if we have time, we'll probably go into finishing off some of the loading and saving system that I've got. I've rebuilt the menu system, completely rebuilt the saving system and everything the way it handles properly for a multiplayer server, like the framework for the game and stuff. Okay, so what have we got in here? We've got components, we've got data, and we got that. Okay, so we can potentially go into here, go like this, drag that into our game. Now we can get rid of that. Go to pickups. Drag that into our game folder. What's going on here? Alright. Okay, nice. I've only got one folder now for the whole game sort of thing. Alerts can go as well. Okay. Okay, item pickup. Oh, beautiful. We've got no. Okay. I can go like this. Pickups. Okay. Components. Controller alerts. Why have I got it there? I guess that's probably the best place to put it. Uh, this is what I'm gonna. I just got to rename these conventions here. Pickups. Why is there only one inventory? Oh, here it. Oh, wait. There it is there. Okay. BPC inventory. But this is going to be underscore C for controller. Underscore C for controller. BPC pickups underscore C. Okay. So underscore C means it's a controller component. All right. So now theoretically, actually, let's just see if these are working. Okay. Oh, okay. Interaction. Okay. Alright, so I've got to change that interaction to my interaction. Wait. I can probably get rid of this. I can probably get rid of both of these actually. Yeah. Hopefully I can get rid of both of them without any issue. If there's any references, who cares? We'll just fix it. Yes. So the interaction's got the has the pickup logic in it, the interaction logic. BPC inventory C. BPC alerts C. Okay. interactions. So in my interactions, I want the interacting actor. Okay. That should be good now. Right, let me quickly jump over here. How you doing, Gary Smith, mate? I use an Unreal 5.4. 5.4, yes. Blizzard, how you doing, mate? Your pickup scanner would be dope if it had a bigger hitbox for picking up items. It does. It's a sphere trace, actually. Oh, actually, I've got a line trace. Yeah, that's right. You're actually right. I've done a line trace before, but now I've got a. What have I got now? What am I doing now? A line trace by channel. I've got to do a sphere trace. Yeah, thanks for reminding me of that. It'll actually detect the items a lot better. Uh, where are we? Hello, Pass says, hi, mate. How you doing, mate? Shout out to the one watching on Twitch and the four watching on YouTube. Make sure you hit the like button, guys. Alright, so now there's that. We've got that interaction. So now we've got to go into here. Alright, so now this is where it is. Okay, so we've got inventory buttons. And what's this? Interact with pickup. Okay, that's a... Okay. That's an interface, I believe. Okay. So now in here, where my pickup logic is, where's my interaction logic? Probably in the custom part. I've got to transfer all this over to the... there we go. Oh, I was right there, man. Uh, wait, what? Oh yeah, this is where I can add it. What? Interact with pickup. Okay. Why does it say player reference, man? Okay, or inventory. Okay. So now theoretically. Oh wait, I gotta... Alright, so now that should work with the with E. Let's make sure this is it will only work if it's valid actually. If it yeah, okay. So there so now I just got toggle. Okay, now I'm gonna make an input for toggle inventory. Should be like a jump. Input action toggle inventory. Uh, wait, that's not got no triggers or nothing. Yep. We want to press tab to toggle inventory, I believe. Yep. Okay. I just like to separate inputs into input graphs, just so I know straight away when I open up the blueprint if there's inputs in it. Okay. So now we can toggle that. Now we can actually interact with that. Now what we need is the controller to actually have a component and the alerts component. BPC. Alright, so now theoretically why is there a collision? I think I just forgot to remove it, maybe. Okay. We don't want a scene root. Let's make sure it's replicating. Oh wow, replicate movement. Okay. So now I should be able to open my inventory and pick up the item. And then it's as simple as updating the data table with all the new pickups. Well, there's only like 3 pickups I got to add, and then make icons for the weapons. Might as well make icons for everything. I just got to use an icon generator. It's an asset, very handy asset. Can make really good icons for the inventory, which the weapons need to be in that data table because I use the same data table for the stores and that. Okay. Let's fix the line trace actually and make sure it detects the pickup. So why is that thing crushed? Okay, so we've got to go into the pickup. We may as well make an object channel. Order pickup. Okay, so there we go. There's the issue right there, bang. We'd have to go boom, boom to be able to pick it up. Turn that to a pickup. Yes, 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 yes. It's got simulations. Let's just say it's 100 kilos. Yeah, block other pickups. Block that. And block the pawn. Do you want bullets? Yeah, bullets to hit it. I'm pretty sure that. Alright, I'm pretty sure that's a decent configuration for the collision. So let's go to here, interactions. Let's make a sphere trace. Speed trace for objects. Make an array. Pickups. Let's just put it so we can see it. The radius I think is about 30 is the good one. And then we can go like that. Alright. You're probably not going to see, well, you might see the line trace because, well, you may not because it's going from the center of the screen. So you might see the inside of but I think if you press F8 or something, you can zoom out and look around. But we're going to see the line trace pretty much. Okay, there's the line trace. See, look, it's red. It's not saying anything. It's actually pretty far. That's You shouldn't be able to pick up pickups like that. It's got to be slightly smaller. So where's the pickups? What happened to the pickup? Uh, I think I know what's happening. It fell through the ground. Come on, man. Why can't I exit out of this thing? Okay. That's what's happening. It's falling through the ground. It's blocking the pickup. Or my new collision's not. Let's just block everything. But overlap the parallax. Okay. Second time lucky. Oh, maybe if I just put it to the default, then I'd have to change everything. So I'm just going to make it work with the default set. Well, I have to fix those collision settings. I mean work with the default, so when I play something down, the pickups interact with it normally, properly. There we go. Oh, we've got a pickup now. It's just the interaction logic's not happening. But we've got a pickup. Can we pick it up? No, I can't. Okay, for starters, that pickup thing is way too long. Uh, Way too long. Let's just go with that much. This is doing interacting actors properly. Oh, okay, so here we go. Okay. Wait, I have to make sure it's an actual. Pickup reference. Okay. Get pickup reference. So if the interactable's not ammo, and it's not a weapon, then we check it to see if it's a pickup. And if it's valid, then we show the pickup information. Show pickup info. What? What's this? Okay, we got some really weird setup here. Uh, actually, I shouldn't be doing that. We should be removing that entirely. Okay. So if it's valid, then we want to do these ones. But what consumable ammo? Uh, okay. That's not really matters right now, but oh man, there's no way I have to go through the data table row. Yeah. Oh wait, no, the contents. Oh, the pickup name. Oh, that beautiful. I got that there. Very handy. Okay. So we've got the pickup name. Okay. So now the pickup information should show. But when we are interacting, yeah, that should work. What's going on? Fuse trace for objects, pickups. So the pickup's got to block everything. Alright. So now the pickup information should show. And then we can work out why it's not getting picked up. So this is just, like all these adjustments, changes, additions, like just to rebuild it in sort of thing. So all we need to be able to do is pick up the item, see the item in our inventory, drop the item, and bazinga. We can just make a data table full of different items, and boom, we've got a pickup system. And the weapon system is going to be slightly not contain its own pickups. It's got to be essentially actual blueprint weapons. We may as well just use the blueprints instead of. See, look, like it doesn't detect the weapons. Oh, that's right. That's not. Oh, I know what's happening now. Okay, that's too short now. Actually, I think that's a probably. You have to walk straight up to it. Pick up? What? Oh, that's right. Oh yeah, I know what's happening, and that's probably why it's not picking up. Uh, I think I know what's happening. But can I do this and make the weapons? Oh yeah, I remember it all messed up when I changed them from physics bodies. So this is going to be slightly different. This is going to be a physics body. This is not going to be a sphere tracer channel. It's a sphere trace spot channel. That's what it. Sphere trace spot channel. That's the one we want. Start and 30 visibility channel, or we could put it as the weapon channel actually, because that's what we want. Go like this. So there, yep, okay. Okay, so now it should be working properly. Let's move this down a touch. Alright, okay. So now it should detect them properly. And that's what we need to do. We need to change this. What type of data tables we got? Stupid naming convention that is. Look how long it is. Data table, item info, item. Item details, we'll just call it that. Alright, orbs and fans, okay. This is an orb. But two of them. Why is it okay. Okay, whatever's happening. Okay. What? What on earth? Why won't it move now? Okay, something serious is going on. Let's just get out of everything. Maybe the engine's tripping out or something. Okay. Let's reload this. Oh my god. Oh, look, some sort of crash. Okay. Sphere trace will. Yeah, sphere traces are always good. They detect everything a lot better. Shout out to the 7 watching on YouTube. Shout out to the 1 watching on Twitch. Make sure you hit the like button, guys. Alright, we're loading back in. That pickup just zeroed out for some reason. What's going on with that thing, man? Okay. Something seriously is wrong with this pickup. It's crushed, look at it. Maybe it's this. Yeah, that's good. Oh man, no. I gotta try and replace that thing. Maybe I should turn off the standalone game. Actually, I can, because I don't need it now. You only need it when you're trying to log in through Steam. Because I'm currently building a main menu system, so I'm just gonna make life easier and get out of this standalone game nonsense. It it looks like it's under the ground, like. And why is the size like that? That's why. Okay, for now it's 0.2. Alright, please don't change now. Ban. Oh, what's going on? It's a construction script for sure. Uh, Set relative location. What on earth? And a pickup offset? That's the problem right there, Bazinga. Uh, okay, it's a fan now. One fan, one orb. Or two orbs. One fan, two orbs. I don't know why. Because I changed this back. Okay, we've got one orb. We've got one fan. We can't pick it up, but we've got to put the information into it. I mean the amount there is. It's actually in the interactions. What? There's no way I'm gonna have to loot for that. Oh wait, there's only one. There's only one of them. Times amount name. Two. Oh wait, no. Two orbs. Alright. So now let's see why this is probably not getting picked. This is not happening. This is going to be exposed on spawn. Okay. No, that's not exposed on spawn because it's set. So now when we it's running on the server, like would have to yeah, I'd have to multicast picking up the pickup. Okay, let me do a situation here. Multicast pickup item. Should be able to go straight into a multicast because this is on the end of an RPC. So we essentially got to. So if this. Let's do a more thorough check. So interacting actor has tag. Alright, so actually no, that yes it would be actually, yes. Okay. So if the pretty much if the pickup's valid, we want to do something. We want to interact with it. I don't know why that's inventory. So theoretically, multicast pickup item. Ah, that's why it wasn't working before. It didn't have the interacting actor. So now that should work actually properly now and be replicated, like being picked up, because this is on the multicast and that's essentially destroying, picking up the item and then destroying it, which happens on the server. So I'm pretty sure that's replicated. Okay, 2 orbs times 1 fan, beautiful. Oh, we just picked up an orb, nice. That's just not getting removed properly. But we should have an inventory with, yeah, there we go. We've got 1 fan, 2 orbs. You can't stack the orbs for some reason. Hopefully that's a thing. That should save though, so let me go like this. And kind of go back in. Get some more of these bad boys. Okay, nothing stacking. That could be the way it is, but tables. That's right, okay. Max stack size 0. No, okay. Alright, so we got it working. Everything's working now. So max -1 means you can't stack. 0 means you can stack as many as you want. And 1 and up is like how many you can only stack 10 or 100. Okay, alright. So we've got item weight, item value, everything's here, everything's nice. We just need the interaction thing to go away properly. Oh yeah, look, the numbers like there. That's bugged, but that's all right. So they're all getting stacked. Oh, there's 2, nice. So let's see if we can actually split it. Let's split 1 off. Beautiful. Make sure we can drop it. Okay, dropping's not happening because this is not all happening. Okay. Drop inventory for okay, so okay, that's what's happening. It doesn't know where the throw direction is. Alright. So now it knows what the throw direction is, so now we should be able to drop stuff. Beautiful. Uh, okay. Okay, nice. Why isn't it going away? It should be resetting here. Maybe I should make a totally new channel that everything ignores except the weapon and that. I might have to do that. Because this should essentially, like, you know, once the item exists, and then once it doesn't exist, it should come up here and reset everything. So that's what I think is happening. Because it's just a channel, and that's pretty much blocking everything. So everything. So essentially it's staying in here, I believe. It's staying like it's not reaching this point here, which means that this is like detecting everything. Actually, let's see if I can we can visualize it. No, I'm wrong. So yeah, none of that's detecting. That's detecting. That's detecting. Okay, so I was wrong. So the presets are not blocking. Why is that so hard to view? Okay, now the weapons. Okay, the pickup scanner needs work. Because I've made my own pickup scanner. Okay, so there's some serious issues. Let's see how far that is. That's good, I think. Okay. Okay, so the pickup scanner needs work. Unless I make a weapon pickup and then make them both pick up. Yeah, that's probably what I'm going to have to do. How long have we been going for? Almost an hour, nice. Uh, will that not be bad for performance? What's bad for performance? Yeah, it's probably not the best thing to do. But for now, I like the pickup scanner, but it's not running on tick. It's running 10 times a second instead of, 60, 100 times a second. So it's a lot less, heavy than a thingo. And I think, it only really matters if it's actually detecting something. So like if it was green the whole time, then that's a problem. But but what I'm thinking of doing is making a completely weapon pickup. So pickups turn into like their own little pickups, but those pickups have the pickup object. So then this only detects pickups essentially. And then I can separate the weapons from being their own actual, because these are actual weapon blueprints. This actual gun, when you pick it up, goes onto your body. It doesn't get swapped out, but that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make it so it swaps out, sort of thing. And I can probably slow this timer down a little bit. Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to use sphere collisions, eventually. Like if we need to like find performance somewhere somehow, we'll definitely be looking at things like this that are running all the time. Uh, but yeah, that's what I think I'm gonna actually do. So that's right, we can do that. We can go like this. So these are going to be pickups now. All it would need to block is the visibility. No, because then that will be a detected item. We don't want that. Okay. So now there's that. So now in the interactions, we can do sphere, trace by objects. And we can go back to one of these. Okay. So now this is only going to detect the pickups. Ah, that's why it wasn't picking up before, because now this is not detected. Oh wait, yeah, I do, because I set it here. Or do I? Yeah, here. Yeah, that's alright. That's gonna still work. Okay, nothing, 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 nothing. And then bang, bang. Alright. This is the beauty of the sphere chase. You can just be just close enough. I'm not close enough. Like that. Like you don't have to be directly over it. It's sort of, yeah, I can pick them up still. Beautiful. That's what I'm gonna have to do. Yeah, I'm gonna have to make the weapons pickups. So that's what we're gonna have to do. What I can just do, all I would need was this is the skeletal mesh. Yep. Okay. Yeah, that's what I'd have to do. I'd have to make another one. Blueprint weapon pickup. Okay. Alright, do we need tick enabled on the mesh? I'll just turn tick off and that just to make it less load sort of thing. Now we can go skeletal. Weapon mesh. We'd have to read the data through here. So say we made another one of these and it was a pistol. Oh, but these are static meshes. Ah, interesting. I'm gonna have to make static meshes of all the skeletal meshes. That's, I should be, right? Maybe there is static meshes. No, there isn't. But that's easy to do. So then I go like this, and then I just make a weapon, and then I can loop through the data, find the only weapon, get the weapon data, just like this, and pretty much yeah, everything's set from the data table like that. So then these can be like that. And then, you know, when I pick up the item, I just detect what type of item it is, which would be here, item type, pickup type, item name, item type, and item name. Like that. Item types, and then I can just make this a weapon. Boom. Oh wait, no, that will actually just get set. I should change that back. But yeah, you get the idea. It's essentially making the exact same pickup logic, but then when this gets called, this is just where I pick up the weapon. I can probably get the character reference from there. No, but I can work it out. Maybe I can make it interact with weapon and transfer the character through, and then in the character I can equip and de-equip weapons properly. But that's probably what I'm gonna have to do. But rebuild, yeah, that's definitely what I'm gonna have to do. So now these. Lock all, and don't and ignore the weapon. There we go, bang. That's what we'd need. We don't want to be able to get cover on it either. Cover and climbable. So there we are. There's the weapon pickup, which will just run all from here. But that's the idea. Then all I've got to do is just what I need is just meshes and then icons, which I'll make the icons and then just fill out all the details, and bazinga, we got items. That's probably what's going to happen, I think, to actually making pickups. So that way these heavy blueprints aren't the ones that are dropped onto the ground. You know what I mean? It's these very lightweight pickups. But that's probably where we are. So I don't want to leave these live streams super long. But that's probably where we are. We've been going for just over an hour. That's where we are. So shout out to the 4 watching on YouTube, and shout out to the 1 watching on Twitch. But that's probably where I'm going to leave this live stream, guys. I'll probably jump in tomorrow. So what I'll do is today I will get this the pickup logic fixed, get everything working, you know, revamp the design of the inventory, get all that done. So then once that's done, I've got that done, and then I can finish off the saving system, and then we've got a main menu again. We've got a saving system. Everything saves and loads. We've got replicated pickups. We've got a replicated inventory system. Not necessarily the inventory system isn't replicated, but it's well, it is replicated, the pickups and that. So the pickups are replicated, everything's replicated, characters replicated, all the new locomotions replicated. So I know I've only just rebuilt this game recently, but this needed to be done. We needed to sort of deal with the character early on, instead of, you know, building a whole game around this single player character system and then have to rebuild the game. Because essentially a lot of things are better off just being rebuilt instead of trying to just change everything over. But that's probably where we are with the new rebuild. But this should be one of the last rebuild. I should be able to start building the final version of everything now that the character is now in place. But that's probably where we are, guys. I'm probably going to do another live stream tomorrow. If not, if I don't get what I need to get done today and I can't do a live stream tomorrow, it'll be the next day. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you hit the like button and consider subscribing. And if you're new and you're wondering what this game is, go check out the devlogs on my YouTube channel. Peace.